My name is Mr. Sharif, the class teacher for year 2. Our subject for today is language arts, and our topic will be on statements and questions. Now, our focus for today will just be on statements. We've always heard about this term statements, mostly with the policeman. We say, oh, that man went to the police station, gave his own statement. That woman went to that social place, gave his own statement. What do we know, or what do we know as the meaning of this word statement? Now let's go to that. A statement is a group of words, that is a combination of words that tells a fact, idea, and opinion. Again, statement is a group of words that tells a fact, idea, and opinion. Now what do we mean by a fact? That means something that is legitimate, as in something that is true, that is known to be true. Something that is known to be true. An idea and an opinion, that means what you think you know about a particular thing. That is what a statement is all about. Let's give some examples to that, to buttress what we just said. E.g., timber is found mostly in the forest. Timber is found mostly in the forest. Now, if you look at this sentence here, this is a proven fact that the only place you can see a timber is the forest. Now this statement is a form of sentence. Statement is on its own is a form of sentence. But which type of sentence is a form of sentence that is stating just the fact, the idea, and opinion of an individual or of a particular object. David is a boy. David is a boy. This is statement, because the name David is always regarded with a boy. There is no questioning about that. You don't need to, if anybody tells you that, you don't need to say, oh, is it true or not? No, because it is what? It is a fact. It is a known fact. So that is what statement is all about. It's a group of words, now combination of words that tells a fact, idea, and opinion. It tells a fact, idea, and opinion. Now let's go to the second part of the topic, which is a question. So we'll be able to look at the difference between the two, the statement and questions. We already know a statement to be a group of words that tells a fact, idea, and opinion. So that brings us to the question. What are questions? Questions is said to be, or can be referred to as, any group of words that intends to know more from another person or from an individual. That you intend to know more about a particular thing. A group of words, or any group of words, used to, let's put it this way, get more information. Get more information about a particular subject. Let's put it that way. A group of words used to get more information about a particular. We said a question is a group of words used to get more information about a particular sentence. From our previous class, our previous lesson, we learned that the punctuation mark we used for any question is what? Is the question mark. Is the question mark. So with the help of this question mark, we know if a sentence is a question. Not only that, through the tone with which we read, we can know if a sentence is a what? Is a sentence. Now, what's the difference between a statement and a question? A statement, like we said, states just the fact, and most time it ends with what? The period sign. David is a boy, you can see the period sign. Timber is found mostly in the forest, ending with the what? The period sign, that is the full stop. Unlike the question will usually end with the question mark. Example: who are you? With this sentence now, it tells us that, oh, we need to know more about the other person. That's why we are coming up with this sentence. Don't forget, you said both statements and the question are both examples of sentences. So a statement is a sentence on its own, a question is another sentence on its own. So the major difference there is a statement tells a fact, gives a fact, give an idea or an opinion of an individual, while a question is used to get more information about a particular subject. Like we showed in our example, who are you? Where do you stay? Where do you stay? Each of these statements is seeking more information. From the other person on the subject matter, which is from where do you stay, seeking to know where the person is staying. Who are you? Trying to know who the person is. So each question can now be answered with a statement. Who are you? I am Mr. Sheriff. This is a statement. Where do you stay? I stay around the city. So what I'm trying to say here is a statement or a question can be answered using a statement. And don't forget, a statement is telling us a fact, idea, or giving an opinion about a particular subject. So with this, I'm bringing down the curtain of the class. So we'll be directing the questions to the online platform, to the question segment, the question menu on the online platform, where you have to get your assignments and get it done. So with this, I would like to say thank you and God bless you.